PJ here with Mark.It graphics to show you this graphic install today of these 3 vehicles behind me for the Lancaster City Police Department. This is 3 out of the 5 vehicles we're doing for this department. 4 of them are the SUVs, and 1 is going to be an F-150 that we're going to be installing later on. Out of these 3 here, 2 of them are canine units, and this one here in the center is just a regular patrol vehicle. As you can see, this vehicle already, our shop has had and has installed all the lighting on it, as well as us doing the graphics. The canine vehicles just have the graphics on and will be going into our shop soon. For this is a graphic design that we've done for them for a couple years now. It is a full reflective graphics, so everything you see that's graphics is reflective. These cars come to us already painted with white doors. So this department chooses to have their doors painted versus us wrapping them white. Subtle differences here between the 2 kind of canine versus regular patrol. The only major difference is the canine markings on the side. So on the canine one, we have caution police canine on the doors, and on the back window they have the signature canine on it to just let people know that there is a canine dog inside the vehicle. As we come to the back here, you will see again that these vehicles are all identical. The only difference is the 2 that are canine have the canine markings on the window, and the patch here has a canine patch versus this one that is completed has just the department patch. All these graphics on the back again are reflective like the sides, making this vehicle very visible, especially at night when the light hits it. Thank you for watching this video. Please keep up to date with our videos and installs by subscribing to our YouTube page and liking our Facebook page.